Good morning, students. So, I welcome you to our e-learning class. As you know, this is your science class, no? Yes. So, I think all of you are ready for the class. This is your science class. I will be starting. In our previous class, we are doing the question answer part, no? We are doing the question answer part from chapter number 8. Our body is a wonderful machine. So today also the same thing, will be doing the question answer from the exercise of chapter 8. Okay, let me write chapter 8. Our body is a wonderful machine. Okay, our body is a wonderful machine. We are doing this chapter. Okay, so the exercise page number 58. You can refer to page number 58 in your book. Okay, we are doing short answer question, no, and it is completed. Okay, I have given the video yesterday in the YouTube channel. It has been uploaded in YouTube channel. You must see from there. In the last video we have done question number 3a and 4. So I will just have a discussion of the question answer we have done in the video. Then I will be proceeding with the long answer question. So the question was, we are doing from the short answer question, no? So this is question number 3, what we have done in the video, last video. Question number 3 we have done. Our organ systems work together to carry out major functions of our body. So number A, name any two organs that work together. Name any two organs that work together. Two organs that work together are heart and blood vessels. Two organs that work together are heart and blood vessels. Okay? Okay. Then number B, that is value. What value do we learn from this? What value learn from this? Actually, the organs are related to each other, no? Suppose the brain is the main center. Here, what happened? Anything is happening, the message is being carried to the brain through the nerves. So brain and nerves, they are working together. Heart and blood vessels, the two blood vessels, arteries and veins and capillaries are also there. So artery and veins, they are involving with the heart, pumping of the heart. The blood is pumped out and the blood is being carried to the different parts of our body, and from the different parts back to the heart again. Okay, so they are related with each other, they are working together. Okay, then we have also done in the previous video, I have also done this question: how does our brain send messages to all parts of our body? How does our brain send messages to all parts of our body? What do you write? The brain, spinal cord and nerves form the nervous system. Okay, first of all you have to write this one. The brain, spinal cord and nerves form the nervous system. Then you will write, the brain tells each part of the body what to do by sending messages through nerves. Messages from all parts of the body come to the brain through these nerves. Okay, so this is the answer. The answer is, I am dictating once more, I am repeating once more. The brain, spinal cord and nerves form the nervous system. The brain tells each part of the body what to do by sending messages through nerves. Messages from all parts of the body come to the brain through these nerves. Okay, I think all of you have understood. Yes or no? I think all of you have understood. Yes, thank you. Okay, okay. Those who have not written the answers, you can see the video in the YouTube channel. Search for the video of my class, then you can write from there also. Okay. Okay. Now we will be doing long answer question. We will do only one today because it will be a long answer. So let me write it here. Number H, long answer question. What is the question? The page is page number 58. Okay. The question is, name the organs that form respiratory system. Name the organs that form respiratory system of our body. What does this system do? What does this system do? Okay. So you have to explain it. What does this system do? Not a one-line answer you can write. You can write it helps in respiration or breathing. Okay, you have to explain it. So let me write the answer. Okay, you will also now note down in your science notebook. The answer is nose. First part of the answer, name the organs that form respiratory system. What is the answer? What are the organs of the respiratory system? Nose, windpipe and lungs. So I'll write here nose, windpipe and lungs together. Nose, windpipe and lungs together form the respiratory system. Okay, this part is completed. Now what does this system do? Which one? Nose, windpipe and lungs together form the respiratory system. Okay, understood? Okay, now the next part, what does this system do? You write down, we continuously breathe air in and out through nose, through our nose. When we breathe in, yes, our nose, O-U-R, our nose. When we breathe in, give comma, air enters through our nose, goes into the windpipe goes into the windpipe and finally enters the lungs. Okay, finally enters the lungs. Next you write the air we breathe in, the air we breathe in, the air we breathe in is rich in oxygen, is rich in oxygen. RICH, rich in oxygen. The blood present in the lungs absorbs this oxygen and carries it to all parts of the body. The air we breathe out is rich in carbon dioxide. The air we breathe out is rich in carbon dioxide. Okay. The air we breathe out is rich in carbon dioxide. This last line you will write, this breathing in and breathing out this breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide purifies our blood. Purifies our blood. Okay. So this is a bit big answer. Of course it will be big because we have to explain what is the mechanism. Okay, I will repeat this one. Name the organs that form respiratory system of our body. What does this system do? Nose, windpipe and lungs together form the respiratory system. We continuously breathe air in and out through our nose. When we breathe in, air enters through our nose, goes into the windpipe and finally enters the lungs. The air we breathe in is rich in oxygen. The blood present in the lungs absorbs this oxygen and carries it to all parts of the body. Okay, to all parts of the body. The air we breathe out is rich in carbon dioxide. This breathing in oxygen, breathing in oxygen, this breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide purifies our blood. Okay? Okay, students? Okay? Okay. So, this is your question answer from, we are doing question answer from the chapter 8, our body is a wonderful machine. Okay, this is long answer question we are doing. We have done only one today. In our next class we will be doing the second question, means the last question of this exercise, last question of this exercise of this chapter. Okay, you will be getting the video also, you can find the video. In my next video I will be giving the last question, means the second question of long answer question. Okay, okay, so that's all for today. I think all of you have completed. So thank you everyone for the class. Hope you will be learning the question answer. Okay, thank you.